This one here, take that for one more. You want more than this? Change that. Right, come. Change that. Sorry, 900.
Wagon one white. Wagon one white. White. 100 and pack of white.
Two things. So they have to go into the ring. There are going to be the two things there, and they have to run them down. If they catch it, it's theirs. Alright? I'm asking you to listen to. Do not check. Do not dive onto the bars. You understand? Don't shock off headway and dive. You understand what I'm saying? Try to run down the pig and catch the pig. Okay? And once you catch him, you hold him. And you know how they play wrestling? Once I say 1, 2. They're going to three. And I'm going to start it off. Alright? And you're going to run. You're going to catch the pig. If you catch the pig, 1, 2, 3. He's yours. Okay? Okay. Good. Ready now? Ready now? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
My name is Antonio Spence. I'm a student at the College of Agricultural Science and Education. I'm doing my second year of veterinary science, and I'm also the president of the Case Cattle Training Society. I hail from Westmoreland, and it is my dream to become a veterinarian and a geneticist.
Hi, my name is Maureen Thomas, otherwise called Cherry. That's my work name, that's my chef name. Chef Cherry, hence the name for my pastries, Cherry's Pastries. So I sell traditional Jamaican products, which is included gizzard, coconut drops, potato pudding. I do carrot cake and total with a whole host more stuff. So today I'll be presenting down by the STG tent. I'm with the committee displaying and selling my products.